Hey guys, welcome to Show Me Tint. I'm gonna show you what we're doing today, what we've been working on. I promised a little video on this. People's been raving over our new tint, gold on display on this Caprice. We got two things going on here. Well, we got 3 or 4 or 5, a lot of things popping. So we had it tinted in our regular film and we're wrapping it in this custom green. So there's 2 things I want to tell you. Obviously the gold tint is fire. Tell me this isn't hot. So hot. It is hot. I do love it. And people's been, the green gold combo, like, so he's doing yellow and gold on this whole car, which is like, we're gonna take the interior out. We're gonna put a new interior in it. We're gonna put gold 26s on it. It's gonna be off the chain, like big donking it. You imagine this thing cruising a summer day? Yeah, it's gonna be sick. It's gonna be so sick. I'm excited about it. I love this. I love the style that these flavors of tint we offer now. So I've got a bunch of colors I want to show you still. If you want to see a color on here, hit me up. I'll give you a deal. This dude, he's got a vision and we're trying to match. I told him he should get rid of this chrome and do like a gold or yellow on it. He's not ready yet. We're gonna wait. Another thing I wanted to tell you guys, honestly, a lot of people like ask me, can you wrap over primer? Is that a thing? Like, do I have, my car needs body work? And this was an example of all the body work. We had to like do a lot to this car to get it up to ground level. And not really it's a pretty straight car, honestly, but he wanted to make it perfect. He wanted to go over the top. He's building this old school. He's sparing no expense, and it's gonna be cool. You know, he's doing these custom taillights. No, these aren't custom. they're just, we just took them out. I'm just playing around. The interior, we're gonna take completely out of here. So we've got this kind of all removed right now anyway. He's actually gonna be swapping this out for I think he's doing like a yellow dash, all yellow on the inside, maybe a little bit of green. We're working with Ron's Custom Interior. He's been building that up. And before long, you're gonna see it all done, honestly. You gotta stay tuned, keep checking in. I love doing big projects like this, and you know, like, I'd say I don't do it all the time, but when it comes in waves. I'm actually starting a Porsche in a couple weeks. It's gonna be super cool. We're doing it orange inside, orange outside. You know what I mean? If you're gonna do it on the outside, you gotta do it on the inside. So I really think that we're gonna try to wrap this up. Our job will be done pretty soon. We're gonna put the bumpers back on. We're gonna wrap these bumpers. People get super upset when you drop these around, but we take them off, we put them back on. We're gonna slap this wrap together. We're gonna work on this tent a little better. And then by next week, we're gonna be sending it to the interior shop. What up, dude? What are you doing? You want to pay real quick? Look, my job's so cool. People come by and bring you money. I was just telling about your Porsche we're gonna be doing. Yeah, orange on the outside. So I think we're almost done with it. It's gonna be pretty exciting to ship it out the door. The guy is so in love with this car. I love it. We got the Lamborghini done. We're just keeping it out of the snow. We're staying pretty popping. Oh, I got this seat in. I didn't show you this. So this doesn't look like much. You probably just walked by this 100 times. This is actually getting all wrapped too. So we took all the pieces off. We're having it all done. A bunch of body work got done on it. And then I had the seat custom embroidered to like match. The seat was like pretty in bad shape. We also did the helmet to match. This is a crazy like green yellow flip. It doesn't look very impressive right now. I get that. But when you see it done, I always tell everybody when I finish, boom, bam. You're gonna be like, what the hell? We're making this for the Boo Crew. Boo Crew. It's gonna look sick. Make sure you tune in. Gold, purple, blue, red, silver. All the tints are coming. You gotta keep an eye out for them. You see it around town. So that's what we're doing this week. That's just another week at Show Me Tint. I wanted to show it to you real quick because it's a lot of fun. We're always having a good time with it. If you haven't seen the video with the story behind this, make sure you check that out. Everybody's getting a kick out of it. And next week we start something new. We're actually starting this Tesla Model X. You've seen those? Brand new Tesla Model X. Lady just bought it. It's less than a couple days old. She's like, I gotta have it wrapped. I want it this like, let me just show you, because it's so hard to explain. Let me just show you real quick. Hang on. Let me see if it's back here. Where does it go? We just opened it up. We got some new, oh, maybe it's up here. Let's see. I don't see the color. Maybe you put it up. This is the free stuff they sent us. SMO, I think is how you say it. SMO. They gave me a sticker. I put it on my toolbox. This is like some kind of pink color flip. What did he do with it? Oh, here we go. I was trying to track it down. Put it up here on display. This is gonna be a wild Tesla. I forgot what color it is. Me and the lady talked about it forever. Look at this. You've not seen something like this. This is a pink. Look at that. Isn't that sick? Oh my God. This is gonna be wild. Imagine this on a Tesla Model X. We go from wrapping to Caprices to new X's. I know we got a Porsche coming up that we're doing like the orange on. We're doing like that new copper from Enzotech. So dude, we're doing a lot. You know what I mean? We're definitely trying to do the most. And this is our slow season. Wait till it gets busy. Oh my God, it's gonna be so much fun. That's my favorite show right here. Make sure you check it out. Show Me Tint, baby! Well, make sure you check it out. Make sure you watch next week. And I appreciate all that you watch. Thank you for checking these videos out. It really helps us out. So if you have any questions, any comments, want to do something cool, hit me up. Let me know. Peace out. Thank you. This is a cool color. I forgot he put it up here. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so sick.